Okay, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Lifechaser dual dash cam. It's 4K, GPS, Wi-Fi, 3-inch OLED touchscreen, and it says 1080p rear camera optional, but the actual rear does come with this. So on the side we have magnetic mount, gesture sensing, dual 1080p, grid view UI, and parking mode. So some of the different features it has. Let's open this up and see what we got. Okay, first paper. Looks like this is how you contact support. It takes 128 gig class 10 card. There is no card included with this. Tells you about inserting it and formatting it. There's also a delay shutdown screensaver, making you aware of mode, playback, view mode, Wi-Fi, parking mode, motion detection, all kinds of stuff. And then again, how to contact support. All right, this is about the rear camera. So you've got the rear camera, and then a cable to the AV out plugs into the front dash cam. And then the red wire you can hook into your car, into your reverse sensing. So that way you can actually use the dash cam as a backup camera. So that's going to be a little different for each car, but I think it goes over the concept of what you need to do. All right. This is obviously the front camera. A power button, Wi-Fi. This is going to be the magnetic mount and AV in. On the side here, this little plastic cover. You can open that up, and there's a USB, and then the memory card. And there's a microphone, and then the big 3-inch OLED touchscreen. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, so here's the magnetic mount. So in this case, you notice they line up. Ooh, that's pretty strong. So that's pretty, well, you probably have it the other way around for your front windshield. So this way, that's pretty strong. And then it's got the 3M tape to attach to your front windshield. This looks like the rear. So the rear camera, it's got a little flange that you can tighten down and then put screws in and screw it to something. There's probably also two-sided tape. And then there's the connection for the rear camera. So you just plug that into there. And then the red lead we talked about a minute ago, about how you can use that to connect to your backup sensor, reverse sensor, and then use that as a backup camera. So that's kind of a cool feature. Regular USB cable to plug in your computer. Standard accessory power adapter with an angled connector, which is always nice when you're working with dash cams. There we go. Yeah, this tool probably, yeah. So this tool here makes it easier to open this. So that's what that would be for. And then again, the screws for the rear mount, as well as two-sided sticky tape. So your choice of either screwing it into some plastic trim or using the two-sided tape. And then one more two-sided sticky tape for the front in case you need a replacement. And then it looks like we have, I guess these are for wire harnesses, so you can stick it somewhere if you want to kind of tuck some of the wires away. All right, the manual. So product guide. So it goes over all the different buttons. They're all labeled here. Wi-Fi, turn it on and off, power, reset, USB. Talks about the card. And then here's more about the resolution. So It's 4K 1080p, so if you use just the single camera by itself, you don't hook up the rear, These are the higher resolutions. But then once you plug in the rear dash camera, the front's gonna downgrade to a 1080, so 1920 by 1080. And 1080 is still really good resolution. And then the video codec in H.264 and MP4, aperture, auto on and off for like when you turn your car on and off, motion detection. It also takes pictures, so JPEGs. It also has a mic. We talked about the mic here on the bottom, so you can't have it set up to record inside the car. GPS, parking mode. Parking mode is nice that it has. And there's an app you can download, so I guess that's an example app, and how to do some different things. Then this is like a Windows application which will show you a GPS trip as well as the video review. And then FAQs, so frequently asked questions. So these clear plastic strips, these are designed to go on the inside of the windshield first. You cut out around there, stick that to the windshield first, then stick the 3M two-sided tape to it. And the idea is that if you stick this directly to the windshield and never want to take it off, it will come off. It's just painful. This will give you a little more rigid of a surface that you can actually take it off a little easier. So it looks like they give you 2 of those. So that's it. Thank you.